All right, so what's cooking today? We got some delicious mussels. Yeah, really, mussels. You guys watch this segment like every week and you don't think I can actually cook, but there they are. Anyway, I digress. Let's talk about mussels. Not these mussels and not these mussels, but what happens as a small business when you feel like you're getting muscled around by some big businesses because you don't have a lawyer in your corner? Kind of sucks. As a small business, dealing with big brands and their expensive lawyers can make us feel powerless, like there's not someone in your corner. But here at the social media law firm, we've served as a partner to many small businesses to review their contracts, answer their questions, and handle negotiations when necessary. And we'd be ready to provide the legal muscle for you if you need us. Just contact us here at the social media law firm and we'd be happy to help once I'm done eating these mussels.